Hey there, if you want to be rich in the next 2 years, stay here. If you are happy with your financial situation, you may skip the video. So financial wizards in the making, are you ready to upgrade your financial game and join the ranks of the elite money movers? Today's video is tailored specifically for young adults in their 20s who are ready to level up their financial skills and take control of their financial future. So grab your calculator and get ready to crunch some numbers with me. Are you a spender mindset or an earner mindset? A spender mindset is focused on immediate gratification and prioritizes spending money on wants rather than needs. Individuals with a spender mindset tend to have harder time saving money and may struggle with debt. They are more towards ads, products, and buying things. On the other hand, an earner mindset is focused on long-term goals and prioritizes saving money for future needs. Individuals with an earner mindset tend to be more frugal and may be more likely to invest in their education or career in order to increase their earning potential. Overall, spenders prioritize immediate satisfaction, while earners prioritize long-term financial security and stability. The first step in taking control of your finances is to master the art of budgeting. This is the basic step. If you don't know to budget, you cannot invest, you cannot start a business, and you cannot earn well. If you haven't already, start tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you have a handle on your spending habits, create a budget that allows you to save and invest a portion of your income each month. This will help you reach your financial goals faster and build a solid foundation for your future. Yes, I know it's controversial, but I understand that crypto is the future. In today's digital age, investing in cryptocurrencies has become an increasingly popular way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn high returns. While it can be risky, it's important to educate yourself on the basics of cryptocurrencies and invest only what you can afford to lose. Rather than running from it, master it. Consider starting with a small investment and gradually building your portfolio over time. If you ask me for a simple tip for investment, I'll quote Warren Buffett: "Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful." If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own business can be a great way to increase your income and build wealth. Consider developing a business plan, researching your market, and seeking mentorship from successful entrepreneurs. With dedication and hard work, starting your own business can be a fulfilling and financially rewarding venture. A simple tip: don't depend upon your investment, depend upon your technical strength. The world is changing. China and Russia are friends. India is emerging. Dollar is under pressure, and AI is capturing the world. Try to adapt yourself to changing scenarios and demands. In today's ever-changing job market, it's important to learn new skills and enhance your expertise continually. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to develop new skills to make you a more valuable employee or help you start your own business. Investing in your own personal development can lead to higher earning potential and more excellent financial stability. Starting a side hustle can provide additional income and help you diversify your income streams. Consider monetizing your skills or hobbies by offering freelance services or starting an e-commerce business. I personally recommend you start a YouTube channel. It will sharpen your communication and market grip. There you have it, young financial warriors. These advanced financial tips will help you take your financial game to the next level and build a strong foundation for your future. Remember, building wealth takes time and dedication, so don't be afraid to take risks and invest in yourself. Thanks for watching. Share this with your money lover friends, and I'll see you in the next video.